Hey guys, so I really wanted to make a video how I build my PC together, but I unfortunately had some trouble and forgot to make it. I just wanted to show you my PC. This is the first time I will build a PC. About the cables, I think I'll have to unplug everything and do it again. Manage the cables a little bit better. In the back it looks way better than in the front, but like I said, it's my first time building a PC. So inside is an Asrock motherboard. I don't know if you can see it. X670 Steel Legend. AM5 of course, with 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM. What else? I forgot the name of the liquid cooler. I can't remember it. No, it was something liquid Arctic 2, something like that, I don't know. So the CPU is a Ryzen 7 7700X, and the graphics are from NVIDIA. Unfortunately, I didn't have enough money to buy what I actually wanted to put inside this PC, so I went with a 3060 dual, 12 gigs of VRAM, and yeah, it does the job for now, but I will change it maybe at the end of the year, maybe next year, I don't know. I have some trouble now. So inside I got one fan in the back and 3 more in the front. These are my speakers. I bought them 3 days ago. They're really nice. They sound great in gaming, even better. They're called the Red Dragon GS 520, something like that. And and this is my monitor. What is a G5, something like that, from Samsung. 27 inches curved, 144 refresh rate, and it does the job. And I am really happy everything worked out. So what I forgot to say about my PC, instead I got a 2 terabyte SSD, I think HyperX was it, if I am not mistaken. And it's really fast, and it also does the job. Maybe the only problem is my case. I have to change it as soon as possible. It's a bit too tight in the case, and I'll see what I can do. I'll search for a bigger case, or if you guys have any suggestions, I would appreciate it. Yo, anyways, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want. I'll start with the streaming soon. Since now I can stream like all games I want to play, I like to play, of course. I won't stream anything I do not enjoy or something like that. But for now I'm streaming a little bit on Twitch, as usual. Fortnite. I don't have somehow the motivation to stream anything else. As you can see, I got a few games right now, so GTA 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Apex, Blast Unleashed, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, Sniper Ghost Warrior 2, Fahrenheit. Actually I bought Middle Earth, it was on sale on Steam. But unfortunately I didn't have enough money to buy the whole pack, so I just had €4, and I bought the Middle Earth Shadow of War. I played it like 2-3 hours, and it's really a great game, and I really do enjoy it. So, like I said, once again, thanks for watching guys. If you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate it. If you don't want, that's up to you. Like always, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video.